Hey, what's up? It's Elaine, and today I'm going to show you guys how I made this cut crease look. This is my first time doing a cut crease, but I kind of like the way it turned out, so here I am sharing with you guys. So let's go right into it. I already have my base done and my eyebrows done, so we're gonna go straight into contouring. As you can see, it's broken and I'm really sad. It's okay. I'm just gonna use the other color and swipe on my bone and then do a circular motion to blend them. Same thing for the jawline, swipe and circle. And the same thing for the other side. Then with the same color, I'm going to lightly put it over my cheek fat. Then my forehead and the side. Then my favorite part, I'm going to do my nose. I am concentrating on the tips as usual. Then I concentrate on the triangle right there, connecting my brow and my nose. Then with the axis, I'm going to blend it through the bridge. Then in the middle, I'm going to draw a line so that my tips could look a little bit more pointier. Then with the light concealer, I'm going to dot it on my tip of my nose and then on the bridge of my nose to make it look taller. Then highlight on the same areas. Cheekbone and brow bone, and then my chin, cupid's bow, and a little bit on my forehead. Next, I'm going to use blush. Gonna swipe. Blend. As you can tell, I look dead because I have no color on my lip, but I'm going to prepare them and moisturize them with Vaseline. I'm going to put powder to set it and to remove the unnecessary oily glow on my face. I am putting a primer on. Yes, it's not for the eyes, but I just use it. Then I'm going to use the Summer Yum color. Put it all over my eyelid, not touching the brows. Then staying disconnected from my nose as well, like that. Same to the other side. This is a transition color. Okay, I'm gonna do it on the under eye as well. I'm just gonna make a quick fan brush with the same brush I just did. Like that. And I'm just gonna brush off the powder because it's kind of bothering me. And with that glittery brown color, I'm going to put it on the same area with Summer Yum. Then with a matte brown color, I'm going to put it in the under eye. Now time for eyeliner. Today we're going to go a little bit longer and thicker than usual. I'm going to pull it out. I'm going to match it as I go. Keep connecting. It's gonna look something like that. Same with the other side. That's how it's looking now, and I'm going to move on. Get my foundation, get a flat brush. I'm gonna put it over my eyelid, on top of my eyeliner. Not too thick, but around like 1 to 2 millimeter from when you open your eyes. Something like that. The same thing to the other side. Make sure it's lining up with eyeliner. Not make a new shape or anything, but go with the eyeliner. Now with that white color, I'm just gonna put it over the foundation so that it is popping a little more. I'm just going to trace the eyeliner that I have just erased with the foundation. Next, my eyelashes, I'm just gonna curl them, not too strongly, but normally, I guess, because I'm going to put falsies. Next, I'm going to use a gold highlighter, put it in the inner corner of my eyes and then under as well. With the lip, I'm going to go with my daily lip look. I'm going to mix this coral color, blend it. And then put a darker color and then also blend it and mix them together. Alright, that's the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Make sure to give me a like and to subscribe and also give me a comment. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!